today we will see our next practical, that is conducting mock interview. For the entrepreneurship development, we have to understand how to present our project proposal in front of others. Likewise, the mock interview is also giving you an opportunity to understand the interview steps and how to present for the interview. So, now we will see the next, that what is given in the mock interview. See, some benefits are there for the mock interview. Next, guidelines for the mock interviews and the sample interview questions. So, here we can see that the benefits. So, as you know, when we are preparing for the any one interview, we have to understand how to face the question. And next one, first of all we have to understand the which one interview we are going to face. It will be academic, it will be any professional skills interview or a job interview, that the different way you are facing the interview. So, here the benefits of the mock interviews are there, that with this you are starting to just think about that how I can present my knowledge in front of the interviewer. Okay. So, these are the different ways you are presenting yourself in front of others. So, now we will see about the interview, how the interview is very beneficial to you. First of all, we have to know what the interview is. So, a formal meeting with the two or more people, face to face contact you are doing with them and accomplish or coming together for the specific purpose. For example, that purpose to discuss about your job title, the purpose is about to discuss the what the work you are doing or what the work you have done in the past and what the salary, what the some work you want to do in your title, job title. So, for that content you have to face the interview. So, if you are having a skill in your job, so that job you will get from the doing some skills. For example, giving some practical orientation to them, that how you are better in the skills, maybe about the computer, maybe about your for example, if you are giving any marketing company, if you are going to there for your any interview, at that time what the marketing skills you have, how you can sell your product with the different having communication skills. So, that will shows your an idea that you have a good ways to sell this product. Okay. So, this is the formal meeting shows you how you can face to the other people, and that conversation is very effective between the you as an interviewee and someone other who is taking interview from your. Okay. So, what you are giving information about your technical knowledge, about your any academic knowledge. So, they are just taking review from you what you have done. Okay. So, that interview is always a personal meeting is there. Next, that the mock interviews. So, what is the mock interview? It is the just drill. Drill means what? This is the a training given to anyone how to practice before facing a real interview. Okay, how to practice it means some questions will be asked to you and that will be the expected questions for your interview, and that with the rehearsal you are getting the confidence, you are habitual to the answering, listening the questions and answering to them. So, this habit you have to develop. So, this is the mock interview is always helping to you before facing to a real interview. Next, the preparing to the anyone candidate about their posture, sitting postures, about their facial expressions, about their dress consequences. So these are the ways where you are representing yourself to the others. So this mock interview giving a platform to you where you can perform your activities very well, and with this you will gain your confidence, and with this confidence you will really face to your real job interview also. So this conducted is always by the professionals. So these professionals asking the professional skills questions and also your basic knowledge about the societal problems. So what the societal problems are there? If the any adverse conditions just coming in front of you, how you will react? So that type of questions are also there. So the expected is there, how you just solve the solutions, solve the problems. Okay. So what the solutions you will bring out with the what the problems you have, so how you can balance it. So this mock interview giving a platform to you how you can perform in front of the any interview. So that is the providing experience to the anyone candidate. Next, that the efficient mock interview, for giving any efficiency in your mock interview, there are some benefits are there. Okay. What the benefits? First one is the it helps the candidates to understand what is expected in a real job. The particular job profile is what it is, what the skills you require, what the activities you have to do, what the decisions you will take, if any conditions are there. So this mock interview take a rehearsal to in that way and just providing you a guideline. These are the expectations from your side. Okay. So it again helps to the candidate before facing a real interview. Next, the provide helps the candidate to improve his or her self presentation, means the how the body language is there, how the facial expressions are there. Some people are just getting frightened when they are entering in the that interview environment. Okay. By entering in the hall, they are just get cautious. Sometimes they leave their they left some material outside which they have to bring in the inside of that hall. So what it shows? You are getting more conscious, and this consciousness, this anxiety creates a bad expressions on your face, and that bad faces tells the truth that the other people that you are getting the just frightened from this interview. You are getting anxiety due to that interview. So that anxiety you should not to develop at the your real nature. Okay, it should not to affect on your real nature. What is expected? It should be as in a natural way you have to face them. So mock interview always helps to you to self presentation. Next, that is provide candidate with the valuable feedback. So what really how you performed in this interview and how you have to perform in the next interview or your real interview, that the correct aspiration given by your that evaluators or your interviewers. So it will helps you that what should I have to avoid it in the interview. Okay. So it helps to you a good feedback to you how did you perform and how you should not to perform in the interview. Next, it helps a candidate to gain confidence for the real interviews. So you naturally you got the good interview environment, your that guidance, and with this guidance you will prepare yourself for the in a better way. And last one is the benefit is provide the candidate with the important skills to handle upcoming interview. It's naturally when did you get the confidence about it, about the previous interview, you will definitely perform your next interview. Okay, so these are the benefits. First one, to understand the expected real job. Second one, that the self presentation, how you have to present it in front of the others. Next, you will get the real feedback from your interviewers. Next, you will get the confidence in this interview, and also next one, that is the you will update your information, and you will handle carefully your next interview, upcoming interview. Okay. Next one, that is the interview preparation. In the interview preparation, what you have to follow. Okay. Now this is the your journey has started. First, research the company, means wherever you are going to perform your interview, you just go and read about a lot of about your company where you are going to perform your interview. So read the foundation year, what the activities they are doing, what the social activities are there, what the beneficial activities for the employees. Next, what the other that is the CSR activity, community social responsibilities activities are there. So what they are doing exactly in the society, that you have to learn very well. Read carefully from the internet resources, from the colleagues where you are going to read the other people, then you will perform your interview well, because they as an institution, as an organization, they are requesting to you that they are just giving information to you that just tell me about your companies or about this company, what did you read about it. Okay. So what they are expecting, not about the just good things, they are expecting the real things, what the discussion in the society about us, about our company. So these expectations are very important. So research the company very well, and if you feel that this company really is having a good impact for the society, for the people, so you can give this information and read the information very well and prepare your information very well. If this such type of question will ask to your interview, at that time how you will answer to them. Okay. It should be in a short answer, because the brief answers or the deep answers are not interested, because everyone is telling the same information and they will make it bored. Okay. So avoid the long sentences and brief detailed information. Prepare a brief information. Next one, plan your interview outfit. Means what the anyone outfit you will wear. It should be formal dress. Again, as per the concern of your interview, you have to be wear this type of clothes. Okay. So the shoes, nice shirt, tie, pants, the color or combination of these clothes are very important. And the girls are there or the ladies, you want to go for the interview, at that time what type of job profile you are having, as per that you have to make your outfit. For example, if you are going to the any corporate industry and their interview places, at that time what such type of job profile is there, as per that you have to wear the outfits. If you are working in the corporate field and if you wear the just kurta and that simple dress, Punjabi dresses, more colored dresses, very crisscross designs are there, so that you have to avoid. Why? Because it will create some more ambiguity about your personality. So the silent colors, not too much added color in your dress color code, that you have to avoid. Next, third one is the practice. Yes, it's very important. When you are preparing yourself for the interview, you should practice it more. What the question will be there, that question prepare for yourself, and the answers also you should prepare. Because when you rehearse it, the information, you will have the good uttering ability of that words. So you will not fumble at the time of interview. Some people are, when they heard the questions, at that time immediately they ask that what I did not get. So don't do this like a bad faces. Okay, you can just say to them, pardon me. Pardon me means what? Pardon me means just repeat, can you repeat it, so that they can repeat the questions. But every time you should not to ask to them, just pardon me. Okay, so the with the pardon me, that is the a simple word is there which you can asking to them that can you repeat your question, can you rehearse the question. Okay, so every time you should not to do, just sometime you can ask. Next, gather your material, which the material you want to bring inside of the hall, that you have to carry very well. It should be fixed in a one bag, not 2-3 bags. You should not carry the 2-3 bags, 2-3 material with your academic profiles. Okay, so whatever the certificates what you want to show to them, keep it in a one file, not more than one you have to carry. This is about your interview preparation. Now in the interview, how you have to perform. Okay, so show up means what? You should arrive before 10 minutes, before 30 minutes at your interview venue. Should not to